Is your Honda HR-V failing to connect to Apple CarPlay, leaving you without your maps and music? Statistically, 80% of these connectivity bugs are solved without ever visiting a dealership. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to restore your connection. Start by swapping your cable for a high-quality alternative and cleaning the debris out of your phone's charging port. If hardware is fine, check your iPhone settings to ensure Siri is enabled and no restrictions are blocking the connection. Try deleting the pairing profile from both your phone and your HR-V before considering a professional repair. Most fixes cost next to nothing, but if the internal USB hub is fried, you could be looking at a modest bill. If you are desperate, a factory reset of the head unit can clear out stubborn software glitches. Keep these items in your glove box to troubleshoot connectivity issues on the go. Remember that modern infotainment systems are essentially computers, and they occasionally need a fresh start. If these steps did not resolve your issue, it is time to have a technician inspect your USB wiring harness.